Sobrang sarap talaga, no? I'm very, um,
120 under ice, my piece of drinks.
I'm very curious to taste that one. I'm so curious. And I want to taste it. I'm very interested to know the ingredients, why it's yummy.
Under ice yan lahat, pati ito under ice.
And the old people in the Philippines say that Diwata's food is very yummy. Very yummy.
Oh my goodness. Hindi mo masarap ito pag ganyan to eh.
Kaya may panimpla dyan, pwede mo timplahan pag hindi ka pa satisfied sa lasa. May maanghang dyan.
Wow. Super yummy talaga yan.
Kung meron tong lechong kawali,
Kasi ang bulaklak.
oh my goodness, guys, natin.
Ayan naman, 100 lang yan, under ice. May piece of drinks, saka free water din siya.
Wow, cheap. Cheap. It's expensive. Super cheap.
Guys, moment of truth.